Hi, it's Morgan from WTI, and this nail polish is so awesome. This is the Sally Hansen nail polish in the Insta-Dri collection. It's the color Instant Coffee. This is such a pretty nude, neutral color. It's got like a slight pinkish tone to it, but it's definitely more of a beigey tan. This nail polish color will go with pretty much anything. It is the perfect neutral. It will pair so well with any outfit, any occasion. Being able to apply it in one swipe and have it dry in 60 seconds is amazing. That's what the Insta-Dri collection is known for, and it really holds up. It is really great. I love how great the color looks with just one swipe. And of course it dries super quickly, so if you wanted to add a second coat, you totally can. It'll take no time at all. And I just really love having this nail polish in my collection. I love this nail polish, and that's my point of view.